You are leaving.
Officer.
You're not getting it.
Your name.
Don't reach for anything
You
in
are
your
touching
pocket.
me?
Yeah, because you know what? Turn around.
Help!
Put your hands behind your back. 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 Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
On the 13th of October, 2024, Key West officers responded to a parking dispute where the officer immediately detected alcohol on the subject's breath at 10 inches the morning. This encounter raises 4 legally significant questions. First, the actual physical control doctrine. Florida's DUI statute, Section 316.193, does not require proof of actual driving. It prohibits operating a motor vehicle or being in actual physical control of one while impaired. Florida courts define actual physical control as being in a position to operate the vehicle seated in it, keys accessible, capable of starting and moving it without any movement required. Second, the preemptive DUI warning. The officer's statement, "If you get into it, you're going to jail for DUI," was not a bluff. It was a legally accurate application of the actual physical control doctrine. Had the subject entered her car while impaired, the DUI offense would have been complete the moment she was in the driver's seat with her keys. She would not have needed to move the vehicle. The doctrine exists precisely to close the gap between impaired proximity and impaired driving, and the officer applied it correctly before any crime was committed.
Because I can smell alcohol on your breath. Okay.
I'm getting real mad.
This is what I do for a living.
I'm getting real mad.
Okay, you can get as mad as you want to. Okay, I'm trying to explain it to you, man.
It doesn't seem fair.
It doesn't seem fair. But what I'm telling you is, at 10 o'clock in the morning, when you're trying to leave, the cars that are blocking you are not here for vixens. They're not open.
They were here. That's why they were here.
How do you know that Porsche was related to vixens?
Because I saw it pull. It was pulled in there the night when I came home.
Okay, so how did you get in there if it was here?
Okay, so if I park right there and a red Porsche is coming up right here behind me, that came in before me, it blocked me in after I came home and walked and got dinner with my friends and walked home. Like, I live here.
I understand that.
I live here. I park my car there. I live here. I have to get out and in.
I understand that, ma'am. What I'm saying is,
there is a sign that says Arnold's Towing
will tow you. It's time for you
to
start letting me talk, okay?
You want to arrest me?
No, what would I want to arrest you for?
Nothing, because you have no stance.
Leave your car right there. If you get into it, you're going to jail for DUI. We're done.
Do it.
Have a nice day.
What's your name?
Have a nice day.
Your name.
My name
right
is
now.
Have a nice day. Get your fucking hands off of me, or you're going to go to jail. Do you understand? Do not put your hands on me. Do not reach for anything. Do you understand?
What's your name?
Do you want to go to jail?
Name.
You're not getting it.
Name.
You're leaving.
Name.
You're leaving.
Your name.
You are leaving.
Officer.
You're not getting it.
Your name.
Don't reach for anything
You
in
are
your
touching
pocket.
me?
Yeah, because you know what? Turn around.
Help!
Put your hands behind your back. 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 Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. I'm going to have one in custody.
He's hurting me.
Turn over on your stomach. Turn over on your stomach right now.
I won't.
Turn over on your stomach right now.
I won't.
Don't move.
I won't. I won't, because everything that you just saw
You are
was
going
recorded.
to jail.
Send me to jail.
I have my body
sue
cam
you.
on.
I'm going to sue. Good.
Good luck.
Good. I'm going to sue you.
Good luck.
What's your name?
It'll be on
Say
your
your name.
It'll be on your
Say
arrest
your
affidavit.
name. Say your name.
Stay right there.
Say your fucking name.
Don't move.
All right, fine. Will you have him say his name, please?
I just got to hold her here.
His name and his badge number.
Stay right here.
Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number.
It'll be on my arrest affidavit.
All right, okay.
Don't move and don't reach for anything.
I'm not doing anything.
Don't reach for anything.
I'm literally not doing anything.
Stop moving.
You went to jail for force.
Stop moving.
For force.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
My back!
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Oh, your knee!
Stop
your
moving.
Knee! Your knee!
Stop moving around.
Oh, your knee! Your knee!
My knee is on the ground.
Officer, your knee is hurting me! Officer! Please get it off my back!
It's not on your back. It's not on your back. It's not on your back.
You have no idea the pressure you're putting on my hip right now! Please!
Stay still.
Officer, what's your name?
Stay still.
Officer, please!
Stay still.
Officer, what's your name?
Stay still.
What's your name?
Stop moving.
What is your name, please?
Stop moving around.
Ow! Ow!
Stop
What's
moving.
your name? What is your name? Mommy! What's your name? Ow! Ow! What's your name?
It's okay.
Ow!
It's okay. He doesn't have pressure.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Do that.
Stop moving.
Do that. You'll get
Stop moving.
Stop touching
Stop moving.
calm down.
I never did anything!
Stop moving.
I'm just trying to
Stop. Stop moving.
Put the cuffs on and then he'll relax, okay?
arrest me!
You are under arrest.
Kill me!
You are under arrest.
Kill me! Kill me!
You're under arrest. You are under arrest.
Kill me! Kill me!
Cup this hand. Cup this hand.
Do it!
Cup this hand.
I'm relaxed.
Hold on, I'm trying to get a hold of this one.
Bring your other hand
You
back.
don't have to grab my hair
bring
like
it
that.
back.
You don't have to shove my arm like that. That's unnecessary force. Ow! He literally just grabbed my hair, ran my head to the side, and then grabbed my arm to the side for no reason.
9-3, slow everyone else down. She's in custody.
She's in custody. Oh yeah, the
They're
threat.
not double locked
The
yet.
threat is attained.
We're on the Francis Street side of Vixens.
Good for you guys. I'm glad you're a strong man. I hope
Stop.
that you feel strong.
Stop moving.
You're a tiny ass motherfucker.
That's fine.
I got it.
All right.
Oh yeah, put all
Get
your
her in
weight
my
on me,
car.
because that's all you have. No strength.
I have no idea. She lost her mind.
Third, the battery escalation. When the physical confrontation began, the charge profile changed immediately. Under Florida, Section 784.07 subsection 2b, battery, on a law enforcement officer performing lawful duties, is a third-degree felony automatically elevated from the misdemeanor battery that would apply to a civilian victim. The officer's real-time radio call 1 resisting was contemporaneous documentation of the secondary resisting charge under Section 843.01. Under United States v. Watson, 1976, the officer had warrantless felony arrest authority the moment the battery occurred in his presence. Fourth, the booking refusal. When the subject refused to exit the patrol vehicle at the Key West Police Department facility and refused to release her seatbelt, the officer correctly requested corrections officer assistance rather than attempting forced extraction alone. The verbal documentation on camera she's refusing to exit, refusing to let go of the seatbelt. I've requested a corrections officer creates the administrative record for any additional obstruction, charges, and demonstrates proportionate escalation. Force is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 1989, from the reasonable officer perspective. Requesting backup before escalating is consistent with that standard. The impairment indicators documented before any arrest decision, alcohol, odor at 10 a.m., visible impairment form the probable cause foundation under Illinois v. Gates, 1983. None of the pre-arrest statements required Miranda advisement. They were made during a non-custodial encounter under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984. The subject's statement, "I have my body cam on everything, I'm gonna sue," is legally ironic. The officer's body cam is the same footage. Both parties have access to the identical record. The subject's threat to sue does not affect the admissibility or evidentiary value of that record.
You ready, buddy?
Hey, I'm good.
Where's your car?
Right here.
Send that
My house.
I don't
You
know.
guys are fucking stupid. I just wanted to go to my house.
No, what you wanted to do was grab me from behind when I was leaving.
From
That's why you're
behind?
going to jail.
What do you mean from behind? No, this guy from behind. I would like an officer with a with
We're not
a
like doing
license.
this one.
I did not try to grab him from behind.
We're not doing this,
Any
alright?
body cam. I did not try to grab him from behind. I never tried to do anything from him. I have nothing on me. I just want to see my dog. I never tried to grab my dog from behind or that guy from behind. What the fuck do you guys mean?
She's got nothing on her.
I have nothing on me. He got overturned by me being a big girl.
She's good?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Hold on. She's not double locked. Let me get her
Okay.
double locked.
I need badge numbers of each of you. Badge fucking numbers.
Stop.
For Richard what?
Stop!
Badge numbers.
Listen,
Name numbers.
Hey, listen.
I don't give a fuck.
I
What
know,
you were
but
doing to
you're
me
making
is
it worse. Listen,
unreal.
Okay,
by
she's good.
resisting, you're making
What
it
you were
worse.
doing to me right now is unreal.
We're not
I don't give a
doing anything
fuck
wrong.
who you are or what you look like. What you were doing to me right now is not okay.
We're trying to check for you for
I'm
weapons.
trying to go to my house, which is behind me. I have no weapons. I asked him if I could
ma'am,
park
let's go.
in my
Let's go.
spot.
Stop.
All I asked if I could park in my spot.
Sit down. That's
I
it.
will.
It's over. It's over. Just sit
I'm
down,
fine.
alright?
I'm fine.
Sit.
Guys,
down.
I'm fucking
Ma'am,
fine.
sit.
down.
Please, just sit down, alright? It's over. That's it. It's over. You're going
It's
to
not
jail.
over.
Sit down.
I know I'm going to jail.
Ma'am, sit down.
My dog needs to be taken out
Sit down.
because he
Put your
attacked me. I'm going
Ma'am,
to jail.
you will get another
No.
charge.
Why?
Put your feet
Tell me
inside
why I'm going to jail right now. Why?
for battery on law
Why?
enforcement.
What did I do to him?
Ma'am,
Just
I did
put your
nothing
feet
to him.
in the car.
I did nothing to him. You were all going to jail for
Sure.
battery.
maybe later.
I'm
Tonight
going to
you're
sue
to
you
jail.
all.
Okay, ma'am. We're gonna come out. Let me take off your seatbelt. We're gonna walk through that door that's open over there, okay? Let go of the seatbelt, ma'am. Let go of the seatbelt.
I don't know who the fuck you are or where the fuck I
I'm
am.
Officer Beer Bauer, Key West Police
No,
Department.
I
here at
want
the Monroe
recording
County
of
Jail.
where I am.
My body cam is
No,
recording
I don't-
right
I
now.
don't trust
Okay.
you.
You're refusing to get out?
I want
Are you
recording
refusing to
of
get
where
out of
I
the
am.
vehicle?
Please
Okay.
record where
Okay.
I am.
Hey, sir, refusing to exit. Can I have a CO come down, please? Thank you. 9-3, come on, 9-3. You just make a note. She's refusing to exit the vehicle. I've asked for a corrections officer to come downstairs. Yes, ma'am. Just make a note. She's refusing to exit the vehicle, refusing to let go of the seatbelt, so I've requested a corrections officer to come downstairs. Copy that. Thank you. So she's battery LEO all over the place. Now she's refusing to get out of, Battery on Leo. Yeah. And she's now refusing to get out of the vehicle.
I don't trust him.
Okay, Miss
Bring
Jackson.
that guy.
There you go.
I want his name and his badge.
You're gonna get
I
it.
don't care.
Ma'am, you're gonna make it worse. Go this way,
He
please.
put me down. I want his name.
Okay,
He's
we'll
the
deal
one
with that
who
when we get
said.
inside, ma'am. He's coming inside with.
He's the one who said. I'm scared, dude. What do you want me to do? I'm fucking scared. I'm okay with that. I'm fucking terrified. What do you want me to do? I don't know where it's going. This guy needs the shit out of me and made me go somewhere and I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. and this guy was just there for, he was parked in my fucking spot. And how
No.
I am a person who is like, I'm a menace to society in what way? I don't understand. Will you just kill me, please? What the fuck is this? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense to my value as a human. It's not okay.
It's definitely insane for you.
Yeah.
That's okay. I mean, I'm not gonna live past it. No, I know so. You do something to this, like somebody who's been through AA for years? Yeah, I know so, sir.
Cool.
I know so. Do you want to let somebody take advantage of me like that?
Subject arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony under Florida Section 784.07, and resisting. DUI investigation initiated based on documented impairment indicators. Case resolution unknown. All suspects are presumed innocent. Officers receive a B+. Correct application of the actual physical control doctrine before the subject drove. Accurate felony battery identification in real time, and proportionate booking refusal response. Minor deductions. Some profanity during the physical arrest phase, and a prolonged confrontation that could have been streamlined with backup called earlier. The subject receives a D-. Alcohol odor documented at 10 a.m. Physical confrontation with officers resulting in a felony battery charge. Refusal to comply with booking procedures, creating additional obstruction exposure. The officer gave the subject a clear, legally accurate warning before any arrest was made, specifically telling her that entering her vehicle would result in a DUI charge. That warning was ignored. The subsequent battery charge resulted entirely from her choices during the encounter. Emotional distress is noted as context, not as a legal defense. 3 lessons. 1. Florida's DUI statute under Section 316.193 applies to actual physical control, not just driving. Entering a vehicle while impaired is a completed DUI offense under Florida law, regardless of whether the car moves. Officers can warn and arrest before any driving occurs. 2. Battery on a law enforcement officer under Section 784.07 is a third-degree felony the moment contact is made during a lawful duty. The felony enhancement is automatic. No additional intent. No severity threshold. 3. A subject's threat to sue during arrest carries 0 legal weight. The Bodycam is the record for both parties, and what it captures is evidence regardless of who invokes it. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.